Most states require that you have off-road lights covered while on public roads. The logic here makes perfect sense. It would be terrible if you were driving around blinding everyone with your high-power off-road lights on public roads and you didn't even know it. The rules are in place to prevent you from accidentally blinding people and keeping everyone safe as well. Some off-road pod lights aren't really that bright, so it doesn't really matter as much, but the Morimoto 4Bangers are super bright, so you really want to keep them covered in case you accidentally hit that switch. So talking about the coverage, as we see, we have this beautiful 4-banger LED bar on top of this. We have the 4-banger covers as well. All you have to do is just literally slide it on, just like so. And easy as that, they're installed. On top of the safety aspect, it's also best practice to keep them covered to shield them from nasty rock chips. Even though they're built to be extremely rugged and durable, a big enough rock will damage anything cruising at 70 miles per hour down the highway. Luckily, the 4-banger blackout covers look almost as cool as the pods themselves. Now with these blackout covers, they do not fit on every application depending on fitment. For example, right here, we have a flush mount grill system. The fitment on these are a tad bit too tight and the 4-banger covers do not fit in there. So keep that in mind as well. Now let's go down to the fog lights and talk about those. So now for the fog lights. In most cases, these blackout covers will not fit, due to the fact that the fog light is recessed into your bumper or wherever it's located. But if you do go with the 4-banger in the wide variation, either HXB, NCS, white or yellow, they're actually photometrically SAE compliant. So you won't need these in the long run. Now with the 4-banger, they also come in an A-pillar kit. We made the blackout covers super easy to install. Their super soft design allows them to slip on and off with ease, but still grabs the light enough to stay on while going over bumps or during high speeds. So if you're rocking any 4-bangers on your rig, the blackout covers is a great option to have for safety and longevity of your pods. So thanks again for tuning in, guys, and make sure to go over to our website and put your year, make, and model and find out what all other products that we have in store for your rig, and we'll catch you guys next time.